This is how to bulk edit product descriptions in Shopify. 3 ways. The bulk editor that's already in your admin, a CSV export and re-import, and, at the end, letting an AI draft them. The first two are free. First, though, the problem. If you've got more than a handful of products, you've probably got this. Descriptions that are empty. Descriptions someone half wrote a year ago. Descriptions that got imported from a supplier and read like a spec sheet. Let's fix them properly, starting with the free ones. Method 1 is Shopify's own bulk editor, and a lot of people don't know it can do descriptions at all. Go to Products. Select the ones you want. The checkbox in the header row selects everything on the page. Then hit Bulk Edit. Now, out of the box, you won't see descriptions here. That's the part that trips people up. The column exists. It's just off by default. Click Columns, top right, and there it is, Description. Tick it. While you're in here, media, tags, product type, vendor, template, and your sales channels are all editable the same way. Same trick, different column. Now you've got every description in one grid. Click a cell, type, and move on. No loading a product page, no going back, no losing your place. Let's be honest about what this actually saves you. Here's me typing one real description. Not writing it, just typing it at normal speed. That was 19.6 seconds. For 147 characters? One thing that looks like a bug, and isn't. Pick 50 products, and the header will tell you it's editing far fewer than 50. That's just lazy loading. Scroll down and it fills in the rest. Nothing got dropped. The full list of 50 is right there in the URL the whole time. Save when you're done. That's method 1. Free, built-in, and genuinely the fastest way to touch a lot of products by hand. Method 2. CSV. Better when you want to work in a spreadsheet, or when someone else is writing the copy. Export your products. The column you care about is Body HTML. That's the description field. Fill it in, then come back and import it. And here's the setting that matters. Overwrite products with matching handles. Leave it off and Shopify won't touch your existing products at all. Your edits just quietly don't land. Tick it, and the preview says it straight out. Existing products will be overwritten. It matches on handle, not on title. So renaming a product doesn't break the match. Now, one thing that is not obvious, and it cost me 2 failed imports. A description-only file does not work. Handle and body HTML on their own gets you. A product title column is required. So you add the title, and then, if any product has variants, you get product options input is required when updating variants. What actually works is 5 columns. Handle, title, option 1 name, option 1 value, and body HTML, with 1 row per variant. The good news is that it only replaces the columns that are in your file. Your images, your prices, your inventory are untouched. So both of those work, but notice what neither of them did. Neither one wrote a single word. The grid saves you clicks. The spreadsheet saves you clicks. You're still the one writing every description, one product at a time. At 19.6 seconds each, and that's the number we actually measured, just the typing, 50 products is about 16 minutes. 500 is nearly 3 hours. That's a different kind of week. Right. Full disclosure before this part. Arvio is the app my team makes. I've put it last and I've timestamped it, so you can stop here if you just came for the built-in methods. Nothing above needed it. If you want to try it yourself, Shopify App Store, search Arvio, first result. Install it, and it turns up in your admin under Apps. There's a free trial, and everything I'm about to show runs on the same demo store you've been watching. Method 3 is a conversation, not a grid. Same demo store, same 69 products, 23 of them with nothing in the description field at all. I ask it, in plain English, to improve my product copy, and I deliberately don't tell it which products. Now watch what it does first, because this is the part I actually care about. It goes looking for my best sellers in the order data, and this demo store has no orders. None. So instead of a guessing, it says so. It pulls the whole catalog instead and counts what's actually missing. 23 empty descriptions, 23 missing SEO titles, 60 products with no image alt text. And then it stops and asks me what I want top to mean. So I tell it. The 23 products with no description at all. Draft one for each and show me the drafts first. Don't touch the store. And that is what comes back. 23 drafts on screen for me to read. Nothing was written to the store. It says so itself. It will only write once I confirm. And I did check afterwards. All 23 of those descriptions were still empty in the admin. That's the part that matters. It's a draft queue, not an autopilot. Quick summary. Under about 50 products, the built-in bulk editor is fine. Use it, it's free. If you're working in a spreadsheet or handing the copy to someone else, CSV. And once you're past the point where writing them all by hand is realistic, that's when generating them starts to make sense. And descriptions are only one of the things it does. Same box, same plain English. Fix missing alt text. Rewrite weak titles. Bulk change prices. Update stock. Run a daily store SEO audit. Even write blog posts. You approve every change, and any edit can be undone. If there's another bulk edit you're stuck on, tell me in the comments. Prices and alt text are the next two I'm doing.